Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Shein haul. I got a lot of stuff. This is not all of it, this is just what I hung up. But I have more stuff that I'm also going to be trying on. This top right here, I got a bunch of tops I think. I didn't get like a lot of sets. I got a lot of tops and jackets. I got a couple of sets. But yeah, so this is the first top. I thought it was cute and different, you know. Of course, the weather has changed, so I'm gonna have to wait till it warms back up to rock this, and I already know exactly how I'm gonna rock it. It's very different. I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna, you know, because it is open on the sides. So, yeah. You know, we're gonna figure that out, but it's very cute. Like, it's gonna be cute once I figure it out, because I'm riding feet. But anyway, I just wanted to have something on to start the video off, so I just threw on this little top, nothing major. It's pretty cute though. Yeah, so I'm gonna try on the next. Okay, so the next item is this cute little pink crop top. It's really cute. And these pants are just some pants I threw on just to try everything on with. I don't know where I got them, but the back of this is out. So of course I would not be able to wear a bra with this, but I will definitely still make sure the girls are sitting. Yeah, this is cute. This is cute. I like the color. And I got this in a size small. This is cute. Yeah. Next. Okay, excuse my bra. I did not feel like taking it off, but this is the next top. This is really cute. I will have on some more high-waisted pants when I wear this top, but or maybe a skirt. But this is cute. It's giving what it's supposed to give, like, and I know my boobs will be under control with my bra off. So yeah, this is cute. All right, I forgot to mention that the last top, the brown top, I also got that in a small, and this is in a small, and it has padding, shoulder pads, cut out. This is real cute. Like, this is cute. And I actually wore this, but I've already wore this, but this is really cute. Like, I got a lot of compliments, and I like how it's like, they got that sag in it. It's very different. It's cute. Yep. Y'all, this is cute. It's a crop top turtleneck sweat shirt. I got this in a size small. And baby, when I tell y'all I got a whole outfit ready for this, I got a bum ass pink purse that I ain't gonna show y'all yet, but yes, when I wear this, oh baby, y'all gonna see this outfit is fire that I got for this sweatshirt. Follow me on Instagram so y'all won't miss out on the pictures, woo woo. Yes, I can't wait to wear this, but this is cute. Size small. It's so cute. Time is money, honey. Time is money. Okay? Guys, sorry I had y'all up in my grill, but I think I found the first outfit. First thing that I do not like. Like, what is this? What it's too little. I got a small. Maybe should have got a medium. What? I don't know. What y'all think? I don't think this is giving. Like, I'm gonna have to go back and look at the picture. This is a no for me. I'm taking this out, okay. I like this. This is a sweatshirt, says good vibes. Celestial sun moon. Yes, this is cute. You can wear this with some sweats, some pants, some nice pants like what I have on. Some like pants. This is really cute, and honestly, I would probably wear this. I could even wear this as a dress with some nice boots. I'm not even kidding. That would be fire. With some boots. With some boots. Baby. That would be giving. I'm gonna have some looks coming for y'all. Whoa. Yes. This is a vibe. This is a vibe. Vibe. Next. 90s baby. Cause I am a 90s baby. This is cute. Put my hair back. This is cute. It's a switch. Oh yeah, this is cute. Baby, this is cute. Yes, I love stuff like this. It's comfortable. It's giving. It's giving, baby. I'm the most happiest and comfortable in sweatshirts and baggy clothes. Wear this with some sweats or some pants, you know, swag it out. Yes, this is cute. I got to hurry up because the sun is trying to go down on me. This is a really cute top. It got the flap in the front. It's real cute, y'all. The sun going down on me. I might have to put my lights, my filming lights on. I got a white top. It also has the little flap in the front. Oh, this one got it in the back too. Oh, that's cute. Yep, that's cute. And I got this in an extra small. This is a white bodysuit. Always need a little white top. It's real cute. Next is this dress. Cute for the weather, cold weather. Still showing a little bit of skin. Yes, this is cute. Alright, I'll put on a little bralette just for the sake of not showing too much, but this is cute. It has pockets. They don't go all the way down, but they got the little slit. If you can see that, but this is cute. It got the pockets. It's very much giving what it needs to give. Okay? Y'all didn't see that. I almost fell. Oh, yes. Yes. This is cute. Brunch. You know, little cute little brunch outfit. Like, yes. This is cute. This is cute. Next is this jacket. I wish I would have got it a little bit bigger. I got this in a small. I wish I would have got a medium. But this is cute. Don't let me find no shoes this exact, like some heels or oh, I got so many ways to wear this jacket. It's cute. This jacket is fire. But dang, I wish I would have got this in a medium. So I'm guessing jackets I need to go up a size. Oh, excuse me. But yeah, this is really, really cute. Oh, excuse me. Let me find out I'm allergic to this jacket. All right. This is the last. All right, so we got this little top. I think it's, I don't know, I think it's supposed to be like a cow type of shirt, cow neck. But I might have it too tight. But the back is out in it. It's real cute. This is a really cute. I love the back. The front, gotta, you know, gotta fix this and fix this. Like, I don't know. Gotta fix the front, but cause I think it's supposed to droop a little bit. So I might have it too tight or something. Or might have got the wrong size. But I love the bag. Oh my God, that's so sexy. That's so sexy. All right, so this is the last item, which is this cute little two-piece. Let me see. This part you can tighten it to make it do like a V. And it's just a casual little two-piece set. This is cute. Very soft. I got this in a small. All right, so this was the last piece. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. If you liked any of the items, let me know which one was your favorite. I'll leave all the links down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.